Hello children. Um, Last class I discussed 5 questions related to health and disease. Some more questions I am going to share. So 5 questions already I shared. Question number 6. Example for autoimmune disorder is option A myasthenia gravis, option B rheumatoid arthritis, option C AIDS, option D both A and B. So here myasthenia gravis and rheumatoid arthritis, these two are autoimmune disorder. Okay, that is the answer. Option D is the answer. Next one. The dreadful RNA virus, HIV, attacks mainly. HIV, that is RNA virus. In HIV, RNA virus is present. Mainly it will attacks hepatocytes. Hepatocytes means liver cells. Okay. Then helper T cells, neutrophils, D neurons. All of you know helper T cells, T lymphocytes. T cells means T lymphocytes. That is very much important for immune system to fight against the germs. First hit that HIV, that is RNA virus, attacks the helper T cells, automatically our immune power will be slowly reduced. Okay, so HIV attacks mainly helper T cells. Next one, the spread of cancer cells from one part of the body to another is called A. Metagenesis, B. Metastasis, C. Diapedesis, D. Diakinesis, and C. Oncogenesis. Metagenesis. Option B, metastasis. That is the correct answer. Okay, metagenesis, diapedesis, diakinesis, oncogenesis, and all not correct answer. Metastasis, that is the correct answer for this question. Next one. For cancer detection, a thin piece of suspected tissue is stained and examined under microscope. This is called autopsy, necropsy, endoscopy, biopsy. So the correct answer is option D, biopsy. Biopsy is the method, okay, that if any person is suspected by the presence of cancer cell, immediately that particular part, that which part is suspected from the particular part tissue will be removed and it is stained and examined. So that process is called as biopsy. Next, for destroying cancer tumor, the patients are given biological response modifiers such as alpha interferons. This kind of cancer treatment is known as radiotherapy, chemotherapy, biopsy, immunotherapy. Alpha interferon which comes under immune system. So there is no doubt option D is correct answer, immunotherapy. Radiotherapy means giving by introducing X-rays. Okay, chemotherapy means by chemicals. Biopsy is a method, okay, of method of identifying cancer cell. Okay, so option D is the correct answer for this question. Thank you, children.